Salam alaikum. In this lecture, I will discuss voltage, power supplies and batteries, electrical resistance and resistors, and finally electrical nodes. Voltage source is the actual picture of the voltage source exists in our life, and these two too. And these are picture of electrical batteries, some of them. In electrical circuit, we don't draw the actual shape of the component. We replace that with a symbol. And this is the symbol for the voltage power supply. And as you see it, it is two terminal. طرفين. Terminal 1 and terminal 2. The battery is also two terminal electrical component. It has terminal 1 and terminal 2. Whether we call terminal 1 the positive terminal of the battery, the power supply, or the battery as terminal 2 or terminal 1, it doesn't make any difference to the circuit itself, as you see it here. This is the shape, the actual shape of electrical circuit, and this is the symbol for resistors. Resistors also are two terminal elements, and as you see, we use terminal to differentiate between two different parts, but it doesn't make any difference if we label it as T2 or we label it as T1. If we use a wire in actual life to connect a voltage source into a resistor and a second resistor, a third resistor, we make a basic electrical circuit. The wire, we replace wire in electrical circuit diagram as a line. And as you see, this line connect voltage source to R1, terminal 1 of R1, and then R2, another wire connect terminal 2 to terminal 1 of R2, another wire connect terminal 2 of R2 to terminal 2. This time I choose to label it as R2 and R1 of R3 back to the supply. These wire, since they are different, I use one piece to connect this part, this terminal T1 of a supply to terminal T1 of the resistor. We call it node 1. So the wire that connects between two elements or more, we call it node. And this is node number 2, since I use a different wire to connect this terminal 2 of R1 with terminal 1 of R2. So we call it 2, and this is a 3 and 4. And as you see it here, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. It's okay you call it if you want as A, B, C, and D, but they are different from each other. A is different from B, B is different from C, and C is different from D. In this video, I discuss power supplies and batteries, resistors, and finally nodes.